Right now, I am in Dubai Creek Harbour, which is one of the most finest community built by Emaar. I know what you guys are saying right behind me is one of the most fantastic view that everyone that comes to Dubai wants for their communities, for their investors to make money, and for their residents to live there in a peaceful way so they can enjoy the pleasures of the community. It was around 900 dirhams per square foot. And the most important part about the community is not a community if it doesn't have schools, hospitals, clinics, parks within it. Now I'm going to tell you, there are going to be 2 hospitals, there are going to be 7 schools, there are going to be 20 nurseries, 20 parks, 7-kilometer jogging track and cycling track within the community. Hi guys, my name is Shahryar Abbas and I'm a real estate consultant in Dubai. So right now, I am in Dubai Creek Harbour, which is one of the most finest community built by Emaar. And it's not completely built, it's 20% done, 20 to 30% done, and a lot more to come up. You guys might have heard about the Square Mall news, Dubai Square Mall news, and everyone is very hyped about this particular location. Like, what is the future of Dubai Creek Harbour? And I know what you guys are saying right behind me is one of the most fantastic view that everyone that comes to Dubai wants. Most of us don't have it, but the lucky ones, they get to have this skyline view, plus you get to have the view of the sea, the canal that is connected to Creek Harbour. As you can see behind, in front of me, these buildings are ready, and the rentals in Creek Harbour are really impressive. The location itself is really impressive. Apart from that, you are literally 10 minutes away from Burj Khalifa downtown. Now, coming back to Creek Harbour, this community is a mixture of downtown and marina. As you get to see, you get to have the sea, you get to have your yachts, you get to have the infrastructure of downtown. And you know, when Emaar launches something, they know that what they are doing. As I have told you previously in my other videos as well, Emaar comes up with a full bulletproof plan for their communities, for their investors to make money, and for their residents to live there in a peaceful way so they can enjoy the pleasures of the community. Now, I will tell you the prices in downtown. When Emaar first came up with the downtown project, it was around 900 dirhams per square foot. Right now, the prices are around 4,000 dirhams to 6,000 dirhams per square foot. The size of Dubai Creek Harbour is approximately 64.5 million square feet, and approximately 20 million square feet of this community is constructed. So you can imagine there's a lot to come up. Now, regarding Dubai Square Mall, Dubai Square Mall is double the size of Dubai Mall. To be very honest, I don't know, I would literally salute that person who knows the in and out of Dubai Mall. I live in Dubai, I was born here, I was raised here. I still have no idea about Dubai Mall. I get lost all of the time. Most of the girls would know about Fashion Avenue, that I'm sure of, but as men, we get lost. And the size and the cost that was used to build Dubai Mall was approximately $20 billion. And the cost of building Dubai Square Mall is approximately $49 billion. The size is 2.6 million square feet, whereas the size of Dubai Mall is 1.2 million square feet. So you can see, Emaar is coming up big, better and best. So this is this is how you relate with Emaar. They gave you big, now they're coming with the biggest. The tower, the Creek Tower they're gonna come up with. I'm gonna show you on the model what the community is like, what connectivity does it have. The metro station is a very important part because they are going to come up with the largest metro station in the world. So which is a huge thing, because everything what I'm talking about adds value to what you are buying. This is an investor product that you're going to buy into. It's not something that you're gonna buy, or you're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna buy right now and the prices are going to jump. No, the Square Mall is going to increase the price. The infrastructure is new. The Creek Tower is going to add value to your price. People who come during December, they know the Airbnb prices of the units in downtown having the Burj Khalifa view. So imagine the Creek Tower, which is said to be the longest tower in the world, and you're gonna have the biggest mall, compared to Dubai Mall. within your community. So these things are going to add a lot of value to your investment. Now I'm going to take you to the model, the mock-up of the whole community, and then I'm explain you what opportunities do we have in that community. This is the mock-up of Dubai Creek Harbour in Emaar Sales Center in Dubai Creek Harbour, and you can see the amount of people that are around me. And this is the reason I have to speak a bit low, so don't mind that. And get the view from here. This is the kind of view you're gonna get from the buildings in Creek Harbour that are launching. And let me explain you about the community itself. The recent launch that came by are these buildings. You can have the full sea view, you can have the Ras Al Khor Century view, and these areas are completed. As per now, it's 80 to 90% the development is complete in this area. There was another district that came up. This is the district that came up. This is for the Green Gate district that came up in Creek Harbour district. So these are the metro stations. You can see the metro stations. This is going to be the biggest metro station in the world, as I told you before in the video. And 1, 2, 3, and 4 metro stations within the community. It's literally city within a city, and you can see the kind of infrastructure that is going to come up with, that is going to come up in Dubai Creek Harbour. This is Dubai Square Mall. It is going to be here, and the most important part that I'm going to share with you is the Century District that I was talking about. This is the Century District. There will be buildings coming up in this part of Creek Harbour, which will be connected to Dubai Square Mall. I don't know when they will be launching, but right now, what Dubai Creek Harbour has to offer are the buildings that I showed you. They were released before. The higher floors are released now. You can get a good unit in those buildings, and you can see the infrastructure. Who won't fall in love with these buildings? Who won't fall in love with these buildings? I mean, you can see this is money right in front of you. You invested in it, and this will throw back to you more than what you have spent. This is what happens when you invest with Emaar, because it's a semi-government developer, and Emaar comes up with a lot of trust. They have been in Dubai, they have developed the most amazing communities in Dubai. And the most important part about the community is not a community if it doesn't have schools, hospitals, clinics, parks within it. Now I'm going to tell you, there are going to be 2 hospitals, there are going to be 7 schools, there are going to be 20 nurseries, 20 parks, 7-kilometer jogging track and cycling track within the community. So this is living in a city. What was I telling you? This is a city within a city. So these are all the amenities, these are all the pleasures. There will be amazing restaurants within the community. So you have everything at your doorstep because of the community that you have been offered. And they have developed the most amazing communities in Dubai, which have made a lot of returns to a lot of investors. And if you want more information on Creek Harbour, do let me know. My number is mentioned on the screen, and I will be really happy to assist you with your investments and portfolios. Thank you so much.